Hey, it's Al with Landlords.com. Today I wanted to talk to you about a fence repair. I had a friend who had her fence blow down, and I'm kind of taking care of her furnished rental right behind me. And I need to get up right away because the tenant living there was feeling unsafe. The people could actually walk into the yard. So I did an emergency repair, and I want to show you how to do this as well, because you can do this and save yourself some money and possibly get many more years out of life out of your fence post. Right here is a temporary fix, but I'm going to show you how. As you can see, this post was completely gone. It's just rotted out, and I'm making it take some weight now. All we need to do is fill that in with some concrete. Go to Home Depot and get these flat steel stakes. They're about $14 each, and you're going to need two for each post. And you drive them down against the 4x4 post, one on each side, and get it down as far as you can. Hopefully there's some concrete left that the old post has rotted out of and gives you some nice concrete to push against. And then you screw the stake to the 4x4, so you create essentially some steel stilts for the post. And you want to use some high torque types of screws, just like this. I like T25s. I'm going to take out these deck screws and put in T25s and give myself some good bearing. So you create essentially steel stilts for your post, your wood post, and then you fill in the hole with concrete, and that should give you a lot more useful life. Okay, I hope that trick of using a flat masonry stake is going to save you a bunch of money. I'll see you on the next video.